Welcome! In this video, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps on how to mute calls from a specific friend on the Telegram app for PC, especially after the latest update. If you've ever found yourself distracted by repeated call notifications, this quick method will give you peace of mind while still keeping the conversation open whenever you want it. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is running, you'll see your list of recent chats and groups on the left-hand side of the screen. Scroll through the list and find the chat with the friend you want to mute. Click on their name or profile picture to open the conversation. Now that you're inside the chat window, the next step is to access their profile information. To do this, move your cursor to the top area of the chat window and click on the friend's name. This immediately opens their profile details and contact settings on the right-hand side of your screen. From here, you'll see different options such as shared media, notifications, and more. Focus on the notification section. This is where you can control how often Telegram alerts you whenever this person sends a message or tries to call you. Click on the notification toggle to disable it. By turning this off, Telegram will silence all notifications, including calls, from that specific person. You'll still be able to see messages and missed calls when you open the app, but you won't be interrupted by pop-ups or sounds. This update makes it incredibly convenient to manage your communication without having to block or remove someone. It's a subtle way to control when and how you interact, while still keeping the option to check in whenever you're ready. And that's it, just a few quick steps and you're done. Open Telegram, go to the chat, click on the contact's name, and disable notifications. Now you can focus without distractions, while keeping your connections intact. If you found this guide helpful, give it a try the next time you need some quiet time without disconnecting completely.